Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How can I create a smart list from the search results and a group of members? Let me just show you what I mean. If we go to our admin end, we'll go to My Members, Search Members. So I only have a few members on here because this is just a demo website, but I'm going to search a membership plan. So I'm going to search membership plan number 1. Okay, and then we're going to select search. And I can see all the results for everybody that's in membership plan 1. So what I can do with them results is I can go to list actions and I can create a smart list from the current results that are appearing on the page. I can enter the smart list name, membership plan 1. Yes, continue, close. Now, when I go to smart lists and tags in the left-hand side, and then when we scroll down, we can see the smart list just here that we've created. As new members join membership plan 1, the numbers in this smart list will automatically increase. Smart lists are really useful, especially if you're using the newsletter function. If I want to send this specific membership plan a newsletter, maybe prompting an upgrade to a higher level account and more benefits, I can do that within the newsletter function. So that's how you create a smart list from the search results and a group of members. Thanks for watching.